Hello and welcome to Magic Things with Alejandro. Today we're going on the third video on this chase for more elves because green is money. So there we have it. Just Jumpstart packs. Can we get anything good? I don't know. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna pop all of them open and leave one out because apparently my friend Chris has butterfingers and he dropped the pack and he's saying that that one has the elf on it. Honestly, we'll see what happens. That's why we are recording this live taped on a studio audience. So this is the one that he bent, so I'm gonna put that there. Remember, if you're new to the channel, consider watching the other videos so you can catch up, see what's going on in this. Wish me luck. Remember, it's better to get lucky than to know how to play the game. Take me out to sea, Mr. Murdoch. These things are like super glued or something. Legion, okay, that could be. Oh man, I think I'm gonna get the feather, aren't I? I remember feeling happy the first time I got Legion, and then I got wrecked. No. Lina, selfless champion, and the mentor of the meek. I don't know. Let's see, the land. This is actually a really good car. You know what? Get 2 for 2. Yeah. I always 2 for 2, Chris. That's how it works. Every time I play with Chris, I try to get him 2 for 2, 2 for 1. You can tell him about it. Oh my god, what is going on here? These packs are like unwrapping themselves. See this film here? It came out of the pack. I don't know what's going on here. Smashing. I'm just gonna go ahead and say giggity on that. Ooh. Ooh, the Hamlet Goliath and Shark Ants on Ceiling. I don't know. It's probably nothing good, but we'll see. We'll keep going. So remember, these packs, you put 2 packs together, which is the... Oh, look at that. We got the first blood. I already got caught, Chris. They have extra value because they're gonna have my DNA on it. So you always want the DNA of a YouTuber so you can clone them. Is that what's going on? Chris, they went all out on these packs, my friend. You heard? This is insane. Everybody, Chris is a little camera shy, so he doesn't want to talk too much, but he is waiting for the elves to come out. Ooh, goblins. Okay, goblins. Goblins is a thing. I do feel like this time the colors are kind of like excluding the green cards. Goblin Chieftain. I think this is actually worth something too. And the Goblin Goon. I think this might be value. Let's see. Can we get there? Is there any good cards on this set? People are gonna set the Jumpstart on fire. By the way, hopefully everybody got some of the stuff in the background here. because Modern Horizons 2 is coming out, and these booster boxes that are in the background are gonna go to smithereens. Heavy armored. I don't remember what's in there. You remember what's in there, Chris? He doesn't want to talk at all. Cartons Crusade! Yay! Let's see, we gotta speed this up. See if we can get there. Ooh, devilish. I don't think I have this actually. I don't think I have a devilish at all. There you go, Surath Chaos Rider. Torchfield. Let's see. Uh-oh, predatory. Alright, let's see. Can we get there? Is there good cats on the set? Oh, I think that's actually money. The Momentous Fall? Yeah, I think this is definitely a card. Oh, Ravenous Ballet. You know, where are these cards printed, Chris? Made in the USA. They feel like weird. The printing is kind of off. I don't know. These people, they need to get their stuff together with the quality control at Wizards. Let me tell you that right now. Hey, I seriously injured myself with the finger. It was the pack fighting back, you heard? I didn't even get Lance and they started fighting back. Well read! Well read! Can we get there? Is there a heuristic study behind this card? Oh, if there was, I'd probably destroy that thing. I just bent the... Okay, so the bent test came out positive. Oh no! Ormos Archive. See, this is what I was telling you, Chris, remember? Not everything is a mythic. These 2 packs have to be like insane, otherwise that was it. No, the doctor. I kind of don't want to even open this. I don't think I have the mythic of this one, honestly. I think is... Oh, another speaker. Getting wrecked here. Alright, the last one, the one that you said had the Allosaurus. This is me right here, holding the sword, jumping into battle. I'd settle for a behemoth if I can't get the Allosaurus. Alright, here we go. No, it's reanimated. So that's already a bad pre-final start. Coming down. Oh, reanimate. Actually, I think that might be some money. No Phyrexian mana. So there we have it, guys. I don't think we got anything out of this. Yay! Consider subscribing. I just destroyed the camera. Hit that like button so we can continue to grow the channel. Take care, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.